In this video, we will show you how to install a compact laminate worktop and talk you through the items in the Unica Compact Laminate Installation Kit. Unica has been manufacturing colored adhesives and worktop installation products for over 25 years. We supply the bulk of large kitchen manufacturers and distributors across Europe. All products have been tested to ISO quality standards, and we offer a technical support helpline. Telephone 0191 259 7876. Unica Compact Laminate Worktop Installation Kit includes everything you will need to successfully install a compact laminate worktop. Before you start, you need to check you have the right equipment. Unica Compact Laminate Worktop Jig and Pegs, a router with minimum 1600 watts capability, a 30mm guide bush, a 12.7mm router cutter with 50mm cut length, biscuit jointer, quick release clamps. Miter the worktop and cut biscuit and bolt slots ready for installation. Unica TopSeal is a brand new color-matched adhesive and sealant for laminate and compact laminate worktop joints. TopSeal is the latest generation, high-performance, toughened polymer technology. TopSeal is color-matched to the worktop to give a seamless finish. It is an excellent gap or joint filler, and it has very little shrinkage and is UV stable. TopSeal bonds quickly and easily, and as it is tough to touch, this means it will last longer in the joint. It does not pick up dirt like silicone, PU or other worktop joint adhesives. Open time is 10 to 15 minutes, giving longer to tighten and level the worktop. TopSeal is fast curing, even at low temperatures, which means the worktop is ready to use in 4 hours. TopSeal is environmentally friendly, containing no solvents. Key each cut edge with the 320 grit nylon pad, and then clean with a little acetone to remove any dust and grease. Dry fit the worktops to ensure the joint is acceptable. Fix the applicator and apply an even bead around one side of the worktop joint. Also apply to the biscuit slots before putting the biscuits in place. Bring the joint together and tighten the toggle bolts using the 3mm hex key, taking care not to over-tighten them. Quickly remove the excess TopSeal with the scraper and use a finger on the front edge. Clean up any final TopSeal with a dry white cloth. If the worktop is heavily textured, it may be necessary to use acetone to finish the cleaning process. TopSeal should take no longer than 4 hours to fully cure. As you can see, the adhesive has matched perfectly, creating a seamless joint. Where undermount sinks are to be fitted, firstly follow instructions from the sink manufacturer. It may be necessary to fit sink clips. Compact worktops cannot be screwed into directly, as this can result in the worktop splitting. In the installation kit, there are 10 brass spreader dowels and roofing bolts. Firstly, mark the fixing positions of the clips on the reverse of the worktop. Using an 8.5mm diameter drill with a depth stop set between 9 and 10mm, drill out the selected number of holes. Push the brass spreader dowels in so they sit flush to the underside of the worktop. The roofing bolts can then be placed through the sink clip and through the brass spreader dowel and tightened with a screwdriver. Finally, complete the installation and final cleanup with Unica Laminate Cleaner. Laminate Cleaner is a daily specialist cleaner for laminate worktops. It tackles everyday grease and grime. It cleans the worktop safely and is biodegradable and solvent-free. Spray onto the work surface and wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. The Unica Compact Laminate Installation Kit includes everything a fitter will need to install a compact laminate worktop.